Hey, what's up? You look great today. And an incredible person like you deserves an incredible way to make money online that actually works. Because money can be used to have more amazing experiences, vacations, cars, foods, clothes, shoes, and other amazing things. As a result, watching this video was one of the best decisions you have ever made. You are about to discover how to generate thousands of dollars in a pure passive income on autopilot from the comfort of your own home, without having to invest a single dime. This is applicable to all countries. Furthermore, it is possible to do it using only your phone. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Okay, let us start with step 1 because this tutorial will be divided into actionable steps that you can easily follow to properly set up this income stream. And if you want to make this happen and have it work for you, I urge you to simply follow each step and take action, not just to watch the video. Because if you just watch it and don't do anything, it will not work for you and you won't make any money. However, completing each step will make a difference. Let us start with the first step before I show you how we will use this tool in conjunction with Google to make a lot of money without having to own a website. As a result, you are not required to have a website. And our first application will be made available on the website Mangles.com. Because you've never discussed this strategy before, you are probably unaware of the purpose of this website. Mangles.com is a tool that will help you improve your SEO and search engine optimization. That includes how high your website ranks on Google, how likely people are to visit your website, how easy it is for them to find it, and other factors. But don't worry, you don't need a website, and you don't have to have any website, and you don't need any SEO knowledge. All you have to do is follow the steps in this tutorial. And it'll be so simple because you literally don't need anything that even a newborn baby who knows how to talk could watch this tutorial and set it up for herself. Anyway, Mangles is a tool that can help you rank higher on Google and beat your competition. But you don't need a website to use it. And you don't have to put any money up to make money from this. So your first step should be to visit Mangles.com. You can also learn more about it if you want to. So just pause the video, go finish this step, and I will be waiting for you. And I want you to do the same for each subsequent step. Watch it, pause the video, finish the step, then return to watch the next step. That way, by the end of this video, you will have everything in place and ready to go. Let us proceed to the next step. Step 2 is to say hello again. So now that you know what Mangles does, you should sign up for it for free. So click here, then scroll to the top of the page and click here. And you'll be taken to a page that looks something like this. To create an account, enter your email address, create a password, click I am not a robot, and then proceed to create your Mangles account. After that, you should be successfully logged into your Mangles account, which should look like this. This is the control panel. So that's all for now. Just go to mangles.com and sign up for free to create an account, and I will be waiting for you. And now we will get right into step 3. I hope you have completed the previous 2 steps and are making some headway. If you haven't already, go back and finish the first 2 steps before moving on to the third step, which will take you to google.com. So in this case, we will start with Google. The third step is to open Google and leave it open for the time being. We will start using it in a minute. We just need to copy something first. Now that you have Google open, return to Mangles and you will see this affiliate section on the left-hand side. You can join their affiliate program, which pays recurring monthly commissions of 30%. And if you go back to their pricing plan, you will notice that the most popular one is the $69 per month plan, which means you're earning around $20.70 per month per person you refer, and that is just from one person. So there you have it, your monthly income without you having to do anything. If you refer 100 people, you have already earned $2,070 per month in pure passive income with no work required. Once you have all of those referrals, you can turn off your phone or computer and do whatever you want with your earnings. Of course, there are some that are less expensive, but there are also some that are more expensive and allow you to make even more money. But if you watch until the end, I will show you where you need to put your affiliate link, how to copy and paste something, and how to use Google to get as many referrals as possible for free. And it is going to be a lot of fun, I promise. For the time being, simply navigate to Affiliate Program and Promo Materials. Your affiliate link can be found here. So this is the main affiliate link, and it will earn us money. When people click on it, they will be directed to this page where they can sign up for Mangles, and depending on the plan they select, we will earn a monthly income. So you should copy this affiliate link by clicking on the copy button right here. So take that and paste it into bit.ly.com. Bitly is a service that allows you to shorten links. So to shorten this long affiliate link, simply paste it here, click shorten, and then copy the shortened version. It is much more appealing for people to click on it now. So step 4 was to take your affiliate link and shorten it with Bitly. Complete these steps before moving on to the next. Step 5. Now that you have shortened your affiliate link, return to Google and consider who needs better SEO, higher rankings, and more visitors to their website. Obviously, every single website on the planet, which currently numbers in the hundreds of billions, but more importantly, who has enough money to invest in Mangles via your affiliate link so that they can benefit from the tool and you can earn passive income every month. Keep your eyes peeled because you are about to be blown away. This can save you thousands of dollars and only requires you to do it once. Anyway, who will benefit from this tool but has the funds to invest in it? Obviously, every business with a website. And do you know how many there are? Over 1 billion. Yes, not a million, not 100 million, but over 1 billion. And you only need 100 of them. Just 100, not even 1,000. Just 100 to use your referral link, and you will make thousands of dollars every month. In fact, you can earn more than $20,000 per year without lifting a finger. Only if 100 people sign up. That is completely insane. But of course, you must first put in some effort. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme with instant gratification. But for now, step number 5 is to go to Google. Think of any possible business and then think of some small place, a small city or town. There are a plethora of search results that you can experiment with to see which ones yield the best results. That is why I said it'll be a really fun process. It's like a game where you imagine a small location. Consider some business. Experiment with different search variations and easily find your referrals in some of the following steps. So for the time being, I'll look up Newberry, South Carolina dentist. You can do anything else, even open a map and pick places at random. But I'll just do this one and I'll use the business dentist. Step 6. Once you have searched for that term on Google, skip the ads and the first 3 websites that appear at the top of the search results because those guys obviously know how to do SEO properly. They also don't require this tool. However, the thousands of businesses below them clearly need your assistance and are willing to invest in their business because they will see a massive return on that investment. So you will open some of these websites, and in 99% of cases, you'll be able to see the accounting information at the bottom or top of the page. So all you have to do is find their email address or another form of contact, and let us offer them our affiliate link in order to assist them. I am not legally allowed to give you a script right now, and that will be even worse because everyone else will use the same script and it will just come up as a spam. But instead, I will help you craft your own, which is a lot better and will result in a much higher conversion rate. So we'd like to send them a simple message. You can entice them to click on your affiliate link, which will take them to Mangles where they can sign up and you will profit. So you can begin your message or email with something like, "Dear Sir or Madam, I noticed you are running a nice business. However, because your website is not ranking, you are missing out on a large number of potential customers." Then you can say something like, "I recently had the same problem, but I discovered an online tool that helped me boost my rankings and get a lot more visitors in a matter of days." You can either send them your affiliate link right away in that first message, or you can wait for their response and then send them your affiliate link after you have gained their trust. Remember, you only need to do this once to get some signups and you will be making monthly passive income for the next few months or years. So put in some time and effort now and enjoy it later. It will be worth it. To summarize, simply copy your affiliate link and create a script for yourself. Copy that as well, then go to Google, find some businesses and simply paste the script with your affiliate link, and that is all there is to it. You will assist them by providing a tool that will help them grow their business. They will be grateful and you'll be pleased, not only because you helped someone, but also because you made a lot of money on the back end through a lot of passive income. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching and until next time.